podcast ini adalah podcast santai, di mana kami mengundang individu untuk berkongsi cerita, pengalaman dan pandangan mereka secara terbuka. Setiap perkongsian adalah berdasarkan pengalaman pribadi tetamu jemputan. Jika Anda merasakan episode ini bukan untuk Anda dipersilakan untuk tidak menontonnya. Simpan komen kecaman, hinaan atau serangan pribadi Anda untuk hari lain. Kami di Jangan Cari Pasal menentang cyberbullying 100%. Selamat menonton dan ale uto.
Ini bukan rancangan cari hantu, tapi dua sahabat buat dunia haru biru. Izan dan Popbik, dua kepala satu tujuan, satu trader penuh kiraan, satu podcaster mulut tak tahan. Dorang datang bukan bawa ustaz, bukan nak tangkap hantu dalam gelap pekan. Kadang manusia lagi seram dari hantu, sampai hantu pun tengok dorang terus cabut dulu. Aku dah cakap jangan cari pasal.
Selamat datang ke episod Jangan Cari Pasal. We are your host, BOKBIK.
Sahabat, nama saya Izan. Sahabat!
Podcast ini ditajakan khas oleh MSR Interior Design.
MSR, kami buat desain just for you. Desain istimewa yang satu. Kami semua bantu create ideas, make it all to be reality. MSR, hanya yang terbaik untukmu. Semua pasti
Hubungi kami di talian 9778 1234.
Kalau kau nak bikin rumah, dipersilakan 97781234. Kami akan bersama dengan MSR selepas episod ini. Dan everyone di Spotify dan juga di YouTube, thank you so much for your support. I think you guys enjoy the first week of the episode. Kita ada trader yang bernama Ben. Ada juga komen-komen yang kita receive, Izan. Dia cakap, B, Izan, aku we love your episode. But orang tak faham apa yang kita sembang.
Betul.
And if you want to learn trading, please do visit or DM HBX Exchange di Instagram terutama sekali untuk book korang punya kelas percuma. Kan senang.
Tapi sekarang dah habis.
Yeah.
Okay, you guys can only DM me on the 27th of July. For me to slot all of you the first or the second week of August, okay? Because July dah totally full.
Right. Terima kasih dan juga kepada pendengar-pendengar kami di Spotify dan juga orang yang menonton di YouTube.
Very nice.
Jangan Cari Pasal adalah rancangan yang kita sekarang ni kita generalize semua genre lah kira.
Correct.
Kita first dah buat hantu. Kita dah bilang kita first kita buat hantu. Kita dah
Hantu
buat
pun dah
network
tidur.
apa semua. Hantu dah tidur. Kita buat benda ni lah. Dan ni adalah satu inisiatif oleh Izan sendiri. Sebab benda ni adalah benda last minute where we have this conversation. Remember, I think last week we have this conversation before we start this episode.
Yes.
Kita nak menjemput Izan nak menjemput banyak yang menghantam each other kan,
betul,
trader kan. So
betul.
Singapore ni dia pun kita tak nak lah benda ni berlaku kan? Sebab tu Izan buat benda ni. So kita invite trader-trader di luar sana, tak semestinya di under HBX.
Betul. Dia boleh trader dari luar. Siapa-siapa yang mengajar, whether percuma ataupun berbayar, or you introduce to any tool ke apa, come and join us, okay? Sebab let's do a proper general awareness. So kita bersahabat lah, no, sahabat. Macam itu, sahabat.
Tak
Okay.
kisahlah korang bayar for korang main classes or not, but we just want to get everyone together to
Correct.
understand.
Betul.
I mean, at the end of the day, we want to make money and we
At the end of the day, tujuan dia is to
Make money,
Make money, make passive,
dia bukan
and
enemy.
stay profitable. Betul.
Tak kisahlah kau bawa kereta apa, kau bawa kapal terbang ke, kau ada apa ke.
Betul.
As long
Kita
as you stay
emas
profitable
ke.
kan. and we get together to know each other, then it's good. Kita bersama dengan mungkin Izan boleh sembang. Ni adalah
Okay,
trader
this
lama.
okay, this trader pun kira agak baru dengan HBX, tapi dia experience trader.
Okay.
Okay. So starting pun dia agak skeptical, tapi bila benda tu dah jadi depan mata aku, dia pun jadi terperanjat.
Okay.
Okay. So I don't want to upsell sangat. Today we are with Abang Arifin.
Abang Arifin House.
Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.
Masya-Allah.
Macam ustaz.
Ya.
Macam ustaz alamak.
Ustaz Arifin sihat Ustaz?
Alhamdulillah.
Jadi hukum halal haram forex ni macam mana Ustaz? Itu nak
Tanya pada yang fasih ah.
Ya.
Okay. Wow, dia santai, sembang je bang.
Abang relax jawab, abang nervous tu.
Okey.
Okay, dia santai abang. Abang Arifin umur berapa?
48 dah.
How long you have been a trader?
Okey.
Dekat sikit bang dengan mulut.
Dekat.
Dia
Tarik.
Dia tarik.
Tarik ah? Okey.
Biasa cium mulut kan?
Alamak.
Ya.
Seramnya. Okay lah, actually I first start during 2010. When I got to know.
lama.
When
Ini
I
sebelum
got to know, when I got to know. Tapi it's an on and off. It's not a terus start then I all the way in.
Itu pakai laptop terus bang?
PC lah.
PC nampak. Kan? PC
Yeah,
dia time.
so pasal I full time job. Then I was in Marine Line.
You're in the marine line.
Yeah, I was
You buat apa?
surveyor.
Which company?
Do a few lah, oil and gas, CIC, Royal
dia
Marine.
I start as a surveyor. I was from Intertech, Inspectorate.
Inspectorate semua lah,
Yes.
oil and gas.
Then after that,
so,
I'm a shipping agent.
yeah, from terminal I go to bunkering lah. So,
Yang bunker.
Yes.
Shit.
Oh,
All the pirates bloody shit.
semua Jack Sparrow lah kira dulu Jack Sparrow.
Yes, I know. Both of us are Jack Sparrows. Yes, of course, bro. Alah, kau kawan lagi apa putus?
Jangan campur sangat.
Yeah,
Okay.
so that line we are independent. Then we are on board.
Yeah.
Sometimes tak tahu apa nak bikin and all
Right.
that. So when I got to know is last time was Facebook.
Okay.
YouTube okay lah. So Facebook I got
Facebook,
all
yeah.
this. Yeah. So
I pun ada Facebook.
yeah, then a lot of ads coming in and all that. So I see this kind of advertisement kan macam too good to be true lah.
Okay.
Then I do my research and all that. So I found that it's actually a gold mine. You can make money because every day $1 trillion is in and out in this industry.
Trillion.
You see?
Okay.
Yeah, so it's like a concept macam use money to make money.
Alright.
But no knowledge, you go south lah.
Yes, of course.
So that's where I try to. But that time, I think there's a lot of traders. Tapi kat Singapore, I think there's a lot of silent traders, which is people do but they don't talk about it.
Okay.
They just do their own, make money, do their own life.
Yeah.
So it's hard to find friends who doing trading and all that.
Right.
So I have to go to overseas and look for people yang
Oh shit.
know about this thing.
So you mula luar daripada Singapore
Yeah.
You literally pergi overseas?
Yes. Because I that shipping line, I go on board. I'm not in Singapore. I go offshore.
Okay,
So at the
faham.
same time, when I have time, I just do network lah.
Faham.
Yeah, and I start from naked chart. Yeah, because now social media, you can see macam-macam. Last time mana ada.
Right.
So I start from zero knowledge. Nobody teach me. I don't know about all these things. So it's a hard step lah. And I learn the hard way in a way macam it's not a smooth sailing punya journey lah.
Faham.
Yeah, but the thing is I try to keep myself strong. Don't give up. Pasal when you're talking about source of income, you will go all out.
Oh yes.
You see?
Definitely.
Even your work, you kerja, your source of income kat situ to support your family. Takkan you nak main-main.
Yeah.
Betul.
So this is like a second source of income. But I go through a lot of
Failure.
hardship lah. I'm not from a well-to-do family. So
Of course.
yeah
Sama
lah.
lah kita bang. Kita
Sedih.
bersama.
We are all not. We are from the streets, you know.
Yeah, and the best part is, I think my generation, we are street smart.
Oh yes.
Betul.
Yeah, so we join people, get to know people, to know things, what happened in life, how to go, ahead in life. Last time social media was lah.
Yeah.
Alamak, lagu sedih.
How many
Relax
failure that you have gone through?
I think more than 20, 30.
What's the worst?
The worst that time, alamak,
What's the damage like?
Yeah.
damage. Actually, okay, I keep all this to myself. To my family tak tahu about all this lah.
Then,
Is your family member like saudara, adik ke apa, ada yang trade?
Tak ada.
Okay.
Tak ada. So pasal luckily yang Alhamdulillah that time income was good bila I kerja
Yeah.
marine. So I managed to put aside for this. Kira tutup mata lah, hilang. Because I want to find something to bring this up.
Okay.
I lost I think about maybe 30 over
USD.
during that time. So during that time the impact was quite hard
Betul.
for that kind of amount. Yeah. And
Your family doesn't know about this?
tak tahu.
And you ada pernah berhutang?
Of course, a lot.
Man, it's
Yeah,
very hard.
a lot. So yang the step for me to go up is lagi berat than for me to give up.
And you every time you go home
I
and
go
you just
home,
put
I
a
just put a
smile.
smiley face and just act macam tak ada apa-apa lah.
Anak berapa orang bang?
Satu.
Emotion you
what?
kuat bang. Emotion dia kuat.
Ini terpaksa lah. Ini hidup.
Kira audio man aku pandai ya. Dia starting dia dah main lagu sedih. Aku pula sangat pandai pula koda-koda.
Kau ada nak naik gaji lah nanti?
But the hardship
Yeah, it's real. It's hardship is real.
and as a man
Yeah.
kan you keluar kat sana mencari rezeki and you come back and you just put a smile, but you tahu you have about 30 or 20,000 debt. You know kat luar it's not easy.
Yeah, and I really do appreciate my wife lah. She really tahan sabar with me lah. Alhamdulillah, I really appreciate her. But the good part is I dahagakan ilmu.
Dia hargakan ilmu.
Yeah. So
Kau tahu dia harga tu apa?
Thirsty.
Spell?
This thirsty.
Yes! Well done, babe.
Yes! Well done. Kau pandai main dia, kau dah pandai.
Tadi tak give. Okay, bang, sorry bang.
tak apa, no problem. Carry on.
Dia memang dia dah pandai benda ni.
Okay bang, dah hargakan ilmu kita berbalik pada dahaga kan.
Okay, yeah. So I mean, from there I on and off lah. You know, got down. Then I work. Cover balik. Then I try. Down lagi. Work, cover balik. Down. Then I stop.
Sakit lah.
Oh, you stop.
I stop.
Why do you stop?
I stop pasal I dah tak boleh take it of the punya impact lah.
How long lah bang you stop?
I stop about 4 years plus to 5 years lah.
I face that kind of situation 6 bulan bang. 6 bulan I stop. Matikan apa apps semua.
Sama MT5 apa semua buang. Delete.
I know how it feel.
Tak,
Aku
semua
tapi
delete.
6 bulan.
But
Semua delete.
the problem is I tak boleh tak tengok chart. I like
Okay.
to tengok chart. Because
Yeah.
I like to know why this candle go up, why this candle go down, why the
Why
stock
is it like
sini,
that?
why the naik terus turun. I have all these questions. And when you learn with people yang tahu, they will tell you correct way of doing it. Tapi behind the secret of it, they won't tell you.
Cerita tak habis. Orang Melayu cakap cerita tak habis. Cerita dia
Because
tak habis.
this thing makes you this one.
Make money out of it. Education lah, education.
You sekolah kena bayar yuran. So this kind of thing you learn, you pay more, you get more lah.
Yeah.
You pay peanuts, you get monkey lah, that kind of thing lah. And you got no friends know about this, so that time lah for me lah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I
Hustler ah. You want Izan a hustler? Turun sana sikit. Sana depan sikit. Tak pasal kamera. Kau nak MP hari-hari. Dia memang gini tau. Dia hari-hari nak video call. Sibuk bangun video call. Buat apa?
Sibuk terus.
Sibuk. Aku tak cuci motor pun sibuk. Bang, but
okay.
right now you come back trading.
right now I come back. Actually I came back 2021.
Okay, you come back macam mana? How do you make a comeback?
I made a comeback is COVID.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but COVID I didn't go to this lah.
Right.
COVID kan semua rabak kan everywhere. So I do think my marine pun I stop.
Yeah.
That time oil and gas
Down.
betul rabak.
betul.
So I stop everything about that. Then COVID I do odd jobs. Then I start TikTok, all this coming up.
Yeah.
That's
The
where
advertising
people
ah.
from Semberang Tambak all.
Oh.
Pro.
That's where it started.
Then I was,
Okay.
why not I try again?
Give yourself a chance lah.
Yeah, give myself a chance.
Yeah.
But I am very super conservative on
Faham.
the dollars and cents. Even though I got a big amount, I still go 001.
Oh,
Because
yeah.
of the impact, I tak nak
You rasa
terduduk
lah.
lagi.
What's the biggest lot size you ever trade
biggest?
in?
$2.60.
That is, uish.
2.6 the current movement takut lah.
That time. Tapi time tu tengah bodoh.
2.66 bang.
Yeah.
2.6. 2.66.
Gila babi.
And I trade 1 minute.
1 minute.
Tapi time COVID time kau boleh jalan bit? Boleh.
Hmm.
Aku pernah jumpa.
Tak ada dah.
Cuma sekarang yang tak boleh.
Sekarang tak
At that point of time boleh. Aku jalan bit. Aku pernah main tu.
20
Boleh.
pip pump. Now 50 pip like nothing goal.
Hmm.
Last time the movement was
Pasal
volatile.
distance dia
Yeah.
dia volatile tapi distance dia tak berapa jauh.
Tak macam last
Sekarang distance dia dekat-dekat. Tu pasal kalau dia tertarik boleh bogil so. Betul.
Bokil lah 2.66. 10 feet 266 tau.
Tapi
Gila.
dia jauh, tak takut.
Tak takut.
Tak takut. Sekarang is dekat.
Okay.
So from the social media part tu, then all is from overseas like. So I make myself to a point, okay, kat mana ini Shifu ada, I will go lah. Kat mana ni Shifu?
How many Shifu abang dah ikut dah?
I think about 5 or 6.
And semua berbayar?
Tak lah, tak semua. Ada.
Ada yang free lah?
Ya, ada yang free. Tapi, I mean, you learn something from someone, tangan kosong tak sedap. You see, it's people punya effort.
Okay.
Even though, Izan, you are doing a free punya ni. But at least you datang bawa air ke, bawa, it's his effort, it's his idea and they're giving you ilmu.
Oh, okay.
So, we have to
Adab
give and
lah.
take. Adab, yes.
Saya memang tak kasih benda kat dia. Mampu dengan dia.
Dia memang celaka bang.
But there, they did put a price on everything.
Right.
Yeah, and my transport, my off day, I have to travel and spend time there few days. All that I just put one side because I nak balik this thing to pull me up again. Because I know this thing can work. It's just how. So for me, my POV lah.
Yeah.
This trading, I look at it macam it's a seni.
Oh,
It's a-
yes.
It's a seni.
It's an art.
It's an art. Macam main gitar, semua orang boleh main gitar.
Yes.
But the professional,
Yes.
why are they different than normal?
Yeah.
There's something special there. So it's the person itself. So you just need to tweak your own self for your own taste bud.
Yeah.
Yang you makan sendiri, you rasa sedap, dah cukup. Tak payah nak sedapkan orang lain. So I have to take a lot of things. I macam, it's like jack of all trades, master of none. But you must be at least master of one. At least one.
Satu je.
But you are jack of all trade. Then you can mix and match the puzzle. Macam, okay, for me lah this I'm talking about myself lah. Macam when I meet Izan, baru juga a few days back. Baru. So for me like, okay, I dah belajar macam-macam lah. All the zone bodoh lah, whatever kind of thing lah. The
SND,
knowledge,
SNR lah.
whatever lah. So I have the bullet.
Okay.
Itu actually asas tau Bik.
Yeah.
It's actually not a strategy.
Yeah.
It's just an asas. Macam just a
Asas.
license of you to be in and know. Tapi
Since I'm not wrong.
cuma masalah dia sekarang pasal
I'm not wrong.
Sebab masalah dia sekarang, people thought it is a strategy. Actually,
Oh.
benda ni asas.
Yeah. Okay.
Macam kau jadi
Macam belajar kereta, got theory lesson.
Yeah.
Then you can drive. No theory how to drive.
Correct.
Dia macam tu. Dia actually asas saja. But now they make it as ni benda strategi. Tak, dia asas saja.
Faham.
Yeah.
Okay.
So like what I said tadi, I got the bullet. Then when I meet Izan, I skeptical. He knows.
Yeah.
I'm skeptical. Then tak secara langsung, he knows that I got this knowledge lah.
Okay.
He can see lah, I think.
Boleh tahu.
Yeah. So when I meet him, alhamdulillah syukur. I have a bullet. He give me the gun. I load. I see the target. I shoot. Fly lah. So it
kan
complete
senang.
my puzzle. You faham tak?
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah. So I really bersyukur I meet him. Jodoh.
That's why.
Jodoh. Takkan ke mana.
But yang paling important is ilmu lah. Is knowledge. It's good to know. When you learn tekan aja, yes, any crash test dummy boleh bikin can make profit. But a consistent profit is another thing.
Yeah.
Like what Izan selalu cakap, trend and trending is different thing.
Yes.
You see? Macam kereta jalan, you jump in, handphone jatuh, tak boleh ambil bye.
Yeah.
You dah go already. It's something that kind of concept lah.
Oh wow.
Yeah. So I take this as an art. I nak make this art as beautiful as possible.
No, I think I love the way.
Ini otai me cakap.
Ya, Abang Arifin like macam no, because I understand the art. Like dalam podcast pun dia ada art. Dia ada cara kau berbual dengan orang, cara kau kona, when time is untuk berbual sedih kau berbual sedih, ada berbual happy kau berbual happy, and kind of shit lah. It's a art. And benda ni is good for trader untuk ada. Macam kau cakap asas lah. Trend line, apa tu semua
Ni benda
adalah asas. Tapi like Abang Arifin, dia ada bullet ready. So dia pergi kat kelas kau, jackpot lah. Dia tahu macam, ini uptrend, downtrend, buy, sell. Downtrend, sell. Tapi kenapa kau sell? Kan dia dah tahu lah. Like mungkin ada trader baru, it's uptrend, buy. Downtrend, sell. But along the way, nanti dia akan, kenapa dia downtrend tapi aku still
Was.
was or not profitable.
Yeah. You ada doubt.
Yes kan. Bila ada asas ni dia macam okay, ini aku boleh masuk, ini aku masuk sekejap.
Walaupun downtrend, you see, ni kalau masuk, but sekejap lagi mesti retrace. Pasal goal, dia kalau turun mesti naik.
Ya.
Dia macam
Lepas dia naik,
boomerang.
mesti turun balik.
Macam boomerang.
Kan.
Goal tu macam
So,
boomerang.
yeah.
And
So, memang,
I remember kan Abang Arifin, I think I also saw some video, and this is, I think is a UK trader. Dia cakap benda macam ni. I think on TikTok ke apa, dia cakap like every traders dia tahu macam mana nak trade. Tapi masalah dia, bila benda tu tak jadi dengan kau, and contoh retracement, what are you gonna do? Are you gonna throw your white flag macam buang gitu? Oh, aku lost.
Yeah.
SL is stop loss tu memang ada. Tapi what are you gonna do with the stop loss?
Yeah.
Ada lagi satu I saw a video and it give me a encouragement. Dia cakap macam ni. Kalau profit kita celebrate kan, asal SL kau tak celebrate lah. Stop loss is not a lose.
not lose, it's a movement.
It's just movement.
Yeah, it's a movement.
Kalau kena stop loss, you celebrate because one of the UK trader, UK trader ni dia pun ada macam community tau. Dia celebrate every SL with the boys. Contoh kalau dia tengah trade tu, together tengah trade, sekali budak semua kan SL. Oh, dia celebrate. Belikan benda. Kau faham tak? Kita profit, orang tu belikan tu tak, dia celebrate. Come let's go makan. So dia cuma nak mengajar budak-budak dia macam, celebrate your SL, it's okay. Stop loss tu dia ada for a reason, bukan untuk kau kalah.
Yeah,
Kan?
correct.
So benda-benda macam you cakap, it's hard.
Correct.
It's
And
fucking hard.
the most important thing is every orang yang you belajar tu, they have their own SOP.
Oh yes.
Follow. Why they have their own SOP, they have their reason.
Mm-hmm.
Even you're talking about simple strategy, you langgar the strategy, red. You don't see blue, you see red.
Yeah.
Then you garuk kepala. Asal
Yeah.
Because even the simple strategy also the SOP, even like yours. Okay, tengah
Tak pun.
tengah training, metering, pump.
Mm-hmm.
Then ada third pula
Yeah.
to safeguard his student. But if you tengah training, tapi training tu you tengok asalkan dia naik you main tekan.
Yeah.
It's not a proper SOP I think.
Pasal tu mengejar price. Mengejar. Kita main kejar-kejar.
Yeah. Nampak mata, pak, nampak, correct lah. Pum, terus tekan.
Yeah.
So, even though,
left-handed.
The TikTok ada puzzle tu. Go and online back.
Okay, sekejap.
It's okay. Just carry on.
Jalan lagi.
Bang, what's the what do you call that? Oh, that
Puzzle,
time, that moment, bila 2010 the advertising, the marketing tu macam mana? Can you share apa yang you nampak dari Facebook?
similar like macam Izan cakap tadi, they show that they can do, they show you a teaser. A teaser of what they do and the profit that they make, and it's very macam convincing lah. It's very short, so you nak tengok lagi, you nak tahu lagi. That's why you masuk. Then with the punya everything macam you want to know about this, you masuk this register.
Yeah.
Biasalah kan, you email your handphone number, whatever. Then you get page number 2. Page number 2, they will say give you another teaser dalam sikit. You want to know more, you masuk page number 3.
Okay, faham.
And you nak masuk page tu, every page tu you kena bayar.
Oh, what's the highest that you ever paid?
I tak, most of that thing I paid halfway, I stop.
Oh, dia boleh bayar setengah-setengah?
Tak, I mean I
Halfway gone lah.
I buat bodoh.
But why do you?
Because I don't feel that I can they are real lah.
Faham.
Because they will link you to a cover page ke whatever page. End of the
Right.
day, they just give you an ebook.
Oh shit. That
Then
time dah ada ebook
That time
They do
macam
that.
dia punya
Yeah.
notes or something like that.
Yes,
You
yes.
follow like that, you follow, you try. Pasal they are overseas, they are not here. And they are not locals.
Wow.
Yeah, so I prefer macam one-on-one actually.
Zaman e-book tu dah tak ada lagi tau. Itu tak?
Oh yeah.
Dah habis? Dah pupus dah?
So
Zaman
what-
e-book dah tak ada?
What's in the ebook? Apa yang ada di dalam?
Dia bilang the procedure saja. Okay, ni nampak ni.
Oh, that's
Dah
it?
tak ada dah. Zaman e-book.
And you're
Zaman
paying
ibu dah
what?
pupus lah.
2,000 plus.
Itu ibu boleh cari makan Sabi.
Cari makan je apa? You can sell
Boleh buat duit dah Syul.
with that ebook.
Yes.
You sell people.
Ha?
How much you can sell?
Depend lah.
That's why.
depend. Kadang-kadang kau tak payah bayar pun. Tapi kau nak start minimum capital nak 1,000 lah.
Tapi 1,000
800.
go to him or go to
1,000
your
go
account?
inside your live account. Ada yang masuk live account. Ada yang main clean gitu. Tapi kena deposit high. Ada.
Using dia punya ID number, whatever shit.
Whatever lah.
Whatever lah.
That's what they makan lah.
They will introduce orang punya broker apa. Their own.
It's the brokerage that orang ni.
brokerage. What they
So
did
dia-
with them we don't know.
So dia dengan broker pay deal lah.
Hmm.
Tak ada kena dengan trader. So antara the work, antara kau makan orang kecil ataupun kau nak makan orang besar.
And this is the thing that I think we have to be transparent about this lah.
Betul.
Sebab to be honest kan bang, when kita
Banyak,
register HBX, si Badul ni tak kasi ID number
Terus
tau.
register je.
So register deposit on account.
Yeah.
Because we came across, or sometimes I lepak dengan dia kan, dia akan cakap macam, kau tahu ada orang berbual pasal aku makan duit and kind of shit kan. What we remember when we register, kita tak pakai dia punya ID number. So aku tak tahu like macam why are people in the community of HBX pun ada juga benda macam ni kan, cakap dia ni makan duit and kind of shit Which if I go to other ni and I tahu macam pakai ID number dia mesti dapat commission, which I understand lah, benda tu adalah business kan.
Yeah.
But at the end of the day, like berbalik kepada the community itself, it's very hard when someone share a very powerful knowledge yang percuma and you're not profitable and you start to macam we talk benda ni the last
Paling tak
episode.
ada pula.
Kan?
Tu benda normal lah.
Yeah.
But have you follow Chinese punya Sifu?
Chinese no.
Don't know.
Tak ada.
Kau pernah follow?
Tak pernah.
But how, I want to know how they ni how
They
they
have their own community juga.
Diorang ada.
Yeah.
Dia Chinese ni ada dua. Antara benda tu free, deposit dia tinggi, ataupun gasak kau nak pakai broker apa, dia ada face by face punya payment.
this
Tapi
is
dia bukan
allegedly,
ratus-ratus Dia at
Ribu-
least-
ribu.
dia 7, 12.
They have 4 digit above.
Dia 4 digit.
What
babe.
digit dia?
4 digit above.
But bang, Zan, kau pernah cakap like macam if you don't have this certain amount, don't call yourself a trader. How was that
Betul.
work?
Yeah.
Kalau kau tak ada 4 digit, actually you cannot become a trader, betul. Because the returns is like
Diorang play big game lah.
it's a big game thing.
Yeah.
Sama macam tu aku cakap. If a $100 5% is $5, ataupun $100 5% 1% is $1, 3,000 punya 5% 1% is $30.
Yeah,
Kalau dia 5% dia dah 150.
right.
Kalau kau make capital 8,000, 1% is $80. 5% dah berapa big?
Oh, that's a lot. Emang.
So dia learn properly, do it properly, stay consistent. The capital is there. The jigsaw puzzle dia dah settle.
Dah settle lah. You complete the puzzle lah.
Dah complete the puzzle.
And you stay put.
Duduk dan diam. Lepas tu duduk dan diam. Tak mau lepas tu pandai-pandai. Pasal banyak yang damage, dia jadi pandai-pandai. Celaka ni.
Okay, dia jadi pandai-pandai like as in apa? Okay, based on both of you.
No,
punya
manusia
experience.
dia selalu macam gini tau. Dia dah belajar. Okay, letak aku belanja dengan abang ni. Dia macam gini. Okay, aku buat jadi. Okay, bring out capital. Okay, abang ni macam mana? Okay, Zan, mesti nak ada capital macam gini tak? Okay, aku pun buat jadi apa. Bila semua dah jadi, manusia mesti dia buat macam gini tau. Macam mana dia tahu benda ni boleh jadi macam gini? Lepas tu dia pergi buat dia punya own research, dia tambah. Dia actually macam gini . Dia actually macam gini .
Dah jadi inilah sendiri.
Tu masalah
modify.
dia. Sendiri modified, lepas tu hancur.
Okay,
Bila benda tu dah hancur, lepas tu kau hentam dia ni pula.
faham.
Padahal in the first place, benda tu
Yeah.
straightforward.
Pasal tadi I cakap SOP is important. Follow to the T. They have their reason why they put that SOP like that.
Right.
Betul.
Yeah.
Because orang yang keluarkan SOP tu, penat tau.
Diorang dah R&D.
Benda
macam-macam.
dah R&D.
Okay, faham.
Dia macam gini, gini. Cuma the thing is,
Yelah.
ribat lah. Tu masalah
Tak ada.
dia.
Sometimes it's influence. Terpengaruh.
Okay.
Dia
Sometimes,
dengan, ya ke? Kenapa ?
Okay.
Asal lah.
Bang, how many of your friends are traders?
I don't know. I think none.
That time you
Or
pernah
maybe they do, they never say. I
Tak
think.
share lah. Tu mungkin.
Tak
at
share
your
lah.
time bila dia jadi trader kan, you say like macam very hard to find. Of course we mobile kan. You cakap macam susah nak cari trader at your time.
Maybe for me, because I'm doing marine, I'm always offshore.
Right.
Maybe lah for me. Then when I'm back, I always macam go to family first lah.
Yeah.
Jarang balik. Then whatever is family first.
Mm.
Then when I also, kawan biasalah ramai lah.
Yeah.
But my friends was street smart of guys, tak banyak yang doing this kind of thing. So I also never bother to ask lah.
Faham.
Yeah, but I am trying to make new friends yang doing this kind of trade. That time, it's not like very openly people show that they are doing this and doing that. So I can't find. Yeah,
Do you think it's because of the people are skeptical about trading?
I'm not sure.
Kan?
Maybe lah agaknya.
Skeptical memang lah.
Skeptical of course lah. Lagi, but I think that time the halal haram thing lagi kecoh.
Lagi buat
Ya.
lagi kecoh.
Compared to now, you see.
Yeah.
Okay bang, like you say you pernah belajar dengan orang yang di other side ke mana-mana. What is the most, how much is the amount the most yang you pernah spend on education aja?
The most I think about $7. 7,000 Sing.
7,000 Sing?
Oh wow. Oh wow.
It's a 2 days punya kelas, Saturday, Sunday.
What they belajar tu?
That time mostly is about chart pattern.
Chart pattern that you can get from YouTube.
Precisely. But they improvise. YouTube memang ada basic. But when they improvise, you macam, oh ada extra yang dorang tak ajar kat YouTube. That's why dia ni punya jadi, YouTube tak jadi.
Oh.
They sell what they identify.
Yeah.
Oh, dia macam magic tau. Dan macam, okay, aku kena contoh candlestick. How to make this candlestick special. Okay, aku cakap ni candlestick ni ada magic. And you come to my class about 2005.
But it's standard. It's doji, morobozu, all that kind of is standard. But they will say
Candle
that,
makan candle lah. Kau dah dengar?
dua
ni
telan satu
dua
telan
telan.
dua.
Kau belum dengar? Nampak? Ni candle. Lagi satu candle makan dia. Lepas tu antara kau masuk ataupun kau tunggu dia turun pergi lower time frame. Lepas 2 candle makan lagi 1 candle. Ada. Makan last duit kau kena makan.
Oh shit, really?
Tapi itu ilmu.
Ilmu.
Itu ilmu.
It's good to know.
Yeah.
Ilmu.
But to apply, you must use your own thinking.
Engulfing betul.
Yeah.
There's a banyak lah. That means there's
Banyak
thousands of...
Banyak.
Thousand
Kau
and
tengok
thousand of
aku
style.
ada ilmu. Okay, contohnya aku tengah take a look at the chart right now. Aku ada ilmu aku. Abang Arifin ada dia punya own ilmu. Kau pun ada dia own ilmu. Price dia macam gitu je. Kalau dia tengah naik, dia naik je.
Okay.
Okay. Aku punya cara, dia tengah trend metering ada, aku tekan. Abang Arifin punya ilmu is, dia tengah trend, aku tunggu sekejap, baru aku enter.
Okay.
Engkau punya ilmu, dia tarik habis, masuk satu, layer, layer.
Aku dah tak buat layer lah, penat
Dah tobat kan? Tapi benda dia sama.
Okay.
Ilmu dia tak sama.
Alright.
Sama macam anak-anak kita, semua orang pergi primary school.
Ya.
Tapi anak aku sekolah sini, anak aku sekolah sana.
Faham.
Macam itu.
Tujuan dia sama.
Tujuan dia sama, matlamat dia sama.
The art is still ni lah kan.
So it's
It's
your
a art of
own.
trading.
Betul.
it's your
Tapi
own art
in social media right now, dia bukan buat duit, dia dah jadi siapa terror.
Oh, okay.
dah jadi
dia-
kompetitif lah. Jadi
So benda tu dia orang rekod lah. Benda tu jadi. Lagi-lagi kau tengok tengah news kan.
Ya.
Dia kalau
Habis
terbang terkeluar handphone, Dunam terkeluar handphone. Oh, itu hari konten bye. Itu hari konten. Because aku tak tahu kenapa orang masih termakan dengan konten-konten macam itu. Gentle aku cakap, itu konten dah tak valid lah.
Okay.
Dia orang pakai kat TV kan. Dia tengah okay gini lah. Dia baca, dia tu pun baca kan. Dia gitu. Kali dia naik. Oh, dia orang rekod. Itu okay kot. Aku paling tak boleh angkat orang buat konten gini. Handphone kan. Macam gini kan. Tapi dia profit, dia tunjuk yang terbalik punya. Kakak dia Pelax. Betul. Itu. Tapi sorry aku pernah. Aku pernah nampak. Tapi tu budak-budak Cina YP punya. Dia, aku sini dinner duduk. Dia pun trade kan. Lepas tu dia dengan dia record each other. Handphone gitu.
Profit
Aku,
Profit 0.01 lah.
Allahuakbar misal. Aku cerita. Kalau kena pacik-pacik dulu kalau nampak konten macam itu, dia mesti cakap
Tu kan
dia cakap aku tekan, aku tak tahu kau kat mana lagi. Aku but that is the content. Masalah dia is masalah content. Sekarang. Masalah dia is masalah content. Tapi aku tak rasa abang because those people who trade like him at his level ataupun Abang Khalid, diorang tak kejar benda-benda macam ni. Diorang akan tengok pasal benda bopian dah ada kat depan skrin, akan tengok. What he chase is the ilmu.
Oh yes.
Kau tengok tak, dia cakap, abang dah ada bullet.
Ya.
Abang jumpa Izan, jumpa tembak.
Ya.
Dan itu ilmu. Yang orang kejar benda yang mimpi. Alam mimpi ni konten, besok buat, aku buat macam gini.
Ya.
Besok pagi 6.45 bangun. Mandi pergi kerja lah. Sibuk masih pergi kerja.
Okay.
Tu sebab. Tu masalah dia. Kau tengok cara aku fikir dengan abang yang fikir. Daripada tadi dia all the way berbual pasal ilmu je.
Ya.
That's the thing. He chase for ilmu.
Education.
And the best part dia kau tengok dia boleh main jigsaw puzzle.
Ya.
Itu saja.
But what's the highest amount that you ever profit throughout your journey? Yeah.
Pasal I on and off kan.
Yeah.
So the highest I think I hit ever taklah macam master kita.
Dia
kat
beza lah. Dia
Betul lah.
memang macam tahi
Macam,
sikit.
yeah, pasal I'm very conservative.
Yeah.
So I think about 17,000.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Banyak.
That time.
Right.
Then after that dah macam-macam I belajar.
Yeah.
I myself pun rojak.
Faham.
Banyak sangat knowledge, banyak sangat input. You
Haywire.
know which one to choose, which one to pick. Masuk sini you nampak yang sana punya setup. Masuk sana you nampak
Faham.
sini punya
Pasal
setup.
ilmu dah banyak sangat dalam kepala otak.
Yes.
Dia jadi was-was.
Faham.
Macam kau tahu kau boleh shoot dia macam gitu.
Ya.
Tapi orang cakap kalau kau shoot gini, sini actually boleh shoot Azwan. Enak kau tak masuk.
Enak tak masuk? Masuk habis.
Okay.
So
You
that's
have
why
doubts.
I stop myself.
Right.
I stop myself. Okay, I start from zero. I will go one-on-one, face to face.
Right.
Paling busuk pun kira Zoom lah.
Paling busuk pun tu.
Paling
Okay.
busuk pun Zoom. At least you talk to the person itself. Then you can ask. You tak faham apa. Why is it like that? Why is it like this? I think that class I ask Izan pun banyak question.
Ya.
Tapi aku boleh jawab.
Oh, during the class.
Pasal I need clarity.
Faham.
Yeah. So apa yang I faham, apa yang dia faham, tally, cun lah.
Right.
Yeah.
Tapi I tak percaya dengan Zoom class abang.
I mean that time. Now pun I tak boleh. I better is
Correct.
face to
I
face.
dah tak percaya dengan Zoom class. Pasal
Yeah.
cilaka ni semua tidur bang.
Oh, kau pernah buat?
Camera on.
Kamera je on. Diorang tak faham apa pun. Ini aku cakap gentle. Okay. Aku bukan nak aibkan siapa-siapa. It was like 1 or 2 months. Ada 2 traders daripada Malaysia datang. Cakap bang, nak pakai kelas. Saya cakap boleh, tak ada masalah. Pakai lah.
Okay.
So yang datang ni orang-orang kita tau.
Right.
Okay. Dia ada pagi punya session dengan malam punya session. Pagi budak Melayu kita, malam is budak Cina punya session. So I saw ada Chinese community. Tapi I tengok Melayu kita punya session. Dia dah ada dalam 8 ke 10 orang yang datang kita punya office tu. So I pun duduk lah. Orang nak ajar ilmu, I pun duduk lah. Tak salah orang yang lagi muda mengajar kan. I pun tengok. Lepas tu I tengok audience dia abang. Gentle cakap. Yang faham 2 orang je. Yang faham 2 orang je. Gentle aku cakap. Kau tak pasal. Diorang tak kisah. Sebab besok pagi ada signal.
Alah pula. Oh, that time
Diorang tak ada kisah pun. Pasal the first 15 minutes, first 10 minutes dia agak macam ranjak.
Yeah.
Bila the person start to explain in detail inner of it,
Yeah.
dia dah start lost tau.
Faham.
Tapi biasa orang Melayu kita, dia takkan pernah cakap yang dia tak tahu.
Dia just shut down je.
Dia terus shut down. Dia terus shut down tengok. Aku cakap ni dah shut down dah.
Ya.
Confirm. Dia dah tak faham.
Pasal
Pasal apa budak tu ataupun kawan kita tu cakap tu, itu asas. Dia pakai yang benda yang asas. Asas pun dah tak faham.
Olah.
Ke laut lah.
Dah ke laut lah.
Aus. Tu aku tengok macam dalam hati aku cakap, diorang mesti cakap tahu aku pergi jemputan dah tadi. Daripada aku datang sini. Tapi tak apalah. It's okay. Pasal benda besok tu ada online and all.
Yalah.
So from there. So bila aku habis tu, dia dah habis straight tu, lepas tu cakap, bang, abang rasa okey tak? Okey lah, okey. Ada. At least you ada sambutan datang sini.
Ya.
I tak rasa semua orang faham apa orang I cakap.
Mampus.
I cakap direct. I cakap dengan dia. Memang betul. Tengok muka pun tahu.
Okay.
So that is the roadblocks. So dia cakap, macam gini I cakap dengan you. The only thing aku cakap dengan dia ni, lain kali kalau you buat explanation, senang je. Explain as simple as possible.
Right.
Baru benda tu boleh sedut. Kalau kau datang, kau cakap ini bus lagi 5 minit, kau dah start berbual pasal engine, dia punya
agak
habis
leceh lah.
pisang.
Dah leceh lah.
So that's the reason, itu salah satu kenapa I buat benda tu jadi senang bang. Tapi R&D dia susah.
Yeah.
Tapi R&D dia gentle aku cakap susah.
Faham.
Tapi to make thing as simple as possible, the shit part is bila dia dah balik tu orang akan tanya, macam gini ke? Senang dia.
Oh.
Dan aku cakap, siapa yang cakap susah? Aku cakap, aku masih ingat lagi Khalid tengah explain kat depan, aku pun hisap rokok patah balik. Sekali aku nampak abang ni duduk belakang, dia pun enter. Macam bang, aku tak cakap aku apa. Zan laju saya Zan. Laju. Aku cakap, lah, dia memang macam itu. Dia memang macam gini je bang.
Oh, abang enter live lah.
Then, tak tahu
Test
pernah
ayah.
tengok. So aku cakap, lah, dia tengah uptrend kan. Aku tengok metering buat dia. Khalid pun tengah explain berbual pasal ada yang baru-baru kan.
Ya.
Dia pun maintain dia punya pasal dah ada ilmu lah. Orang yang dah ada ilmu aku tak apa-apa nak cakap sangat. So macam bang okey.
Laju-laju.
Alah.
Kita faham lah.
Itu sebab nampak tadi dia cakap ada orang mungkin tak faham tapi dia sendiri cakap the difference of trend and trending is a two different thing. Eat and eating is a two different thing. So basically apa aku cakap benda tu dah telan.
Ya.
So basically he already understand what he need to do is to apply. Tapi abang Rifin punya level is bukan obsess. Dia dah consider level-level untuk maintain consistent.
Right.
What he need is to stay consistent. Yang baru, diorang obsess.
Faham.
Asal buka je tekan. Asal buka, mana pun handsome.
Tak
Kau
boleh
buka.
tekan. Jangan tekan. Relax.
It cannot work that way. It cannot work that way.
Yeah.
Tu pasal aku cakap aku sometimes different traders has their own opinion.
Ya.
Tapi kalau dia dah meleweng yang bermerepek-merepek,
Yeah, kalau
kita yang mengajar ni, tugas yang berat untuk kita mengajar ni, untuk tarik balik orang ni back to where you are.
balik ke pangkal jalan.
Balik ke pangkal jalan. Tarik. Cakap Zan, apa pasal dia macam gini?
Ya.
Apa pasal gini? Aku tunjuk, that's why I so cakap, you want the effort, you screenshot, I take a look. Kalau dah bahasa trik, kau tengok, kau tahu. Aku cakap, kenapa trik macam gini? Dah dapat. Masuk lagi. Lepas tu tanya Zan, apa pasal dia macam gini? Manalah, siap aku tahu. Tapi the only answer I have, whatever you have just now, you never secure.
Okay.
So aku cakap so kan ada part sabar dengan syukur apa? Kan dia jadi tak bersyukur lah. You need to be grateful what you have.
Ya.
So aku cakap, dia sama is a way of life. So aku cakap, bang, you control. Dapat, jalan. That's why I always tell people, when you sit down and trade, kau dah dapat kat situ, dia akan melekat kat situ. So what you need to do is get up from wherever you sit, leave the phone there, kau jalan. Kalau kau kat rumah pergi jumpa anak kau ke, apa ke, pergilah toilet, on lah, off lampu.
Last time apa kita selalu cakap tau, once dah cukup, handphone to MetaTrader 5,
Ya.
delete.
Oh yes.
Banyak orang cakap itu. Dia punya message is to ask you to leave from that app. Tapi ada yang badul-badul ni memang diorang delete, babe. Tapi diorang tak tahu macam mana nak login balik, cilaka.
Alah pula.
Lepas tu apa semua hilang. The message is very simple, leave your trade.
Leave. Or use Sense account.
Yeah. Kau tengok. Masih sibuk lagi Sense account.
Bang, what's your best advice untuk anak-anak muda terutama sekali, or the new traders yang want to be a trader and find out about this and macam what is the best advice that you can give to them?
Okay, so the best advice is, this is not smooth sailing macam ni. You will definitely encounter down. What goes up must come down. What goes down will go up again. So you will definitely meet all these ups and downs. So if you want to really be in this industry, don't ever have that give up punya feeling. You must have that enthusiastic. You must be hunger of knowledge and hunger of not say making profit, but try to make this like this is your last source of income.
Ush.
It's like you need air to breathe. So this is your last air to breathe in. Then you will tahu macam mana berharga air tu. So when you know that this is your last money to trade, you will definitely take care of it. And how to take care of it? Have the knowledge. Even though Izan punya method is damn simple, very simple to understand and it works. Yes, but don't be complacent. Whatever he teach, apply. Follow exactly the SOP that he teach and all that. Follow exactly to the T. Tapi at the same time, gain more knowledge. Get to know what is trading, what is chart, whatever is moving inside that chart. Why you profit, why you lost. That's the most important thing.
What's the best advice for the traders that going through a downfall that you ever did before? And I'm sure ada yang berhutang,
Yeah, correct.
to be honest kan.
Yes, definitely.
What are your advice for them?
Kalau nak cakap don't give up is so cliche lah kan.
Betul.
Bang, sedap bang, sedap. Kau asal macam sial? Apa yang kau? Kat ini kat art, kau dengar je lah art aku.
Aku tengah dengar lah
Sila
ni.
bang, sila bang, sorry.
Art and craft lah.
Ya. Sibuk apa?
Okay, for the person that are facing all this kind of downfall and all this kind of problem, you know yourself better. And you know the way to go through it. It's whether you want or not to take that path. So kalau you rasa then I really want to do this as my main income or passive income, and I want to know how to be a good trader, profitable, not just profitable and consistent. Consistent actually the word. Pasal you can profit, you can lose. But consistent is not that easy to be always consistent. But definitely there'll be a loss. So even if you lose, make sure that 1 week or 1 month, end of the day, you still win. Even though you lost. But make sure that on that deadline, you still win the trade. Even though you lost $10, $100, $50, $1,000, end of the day, make sure you still have positive dollar sign, not negative dollar sign.
Oh wow.
So to go to that goal, you need knowledge. You need to know how to go through all this liku-liku trading
Yeah.
and the buy and sell and the trend line and the trending. You need to know. Walaupun simple setup yang Izan ajar ni, you need to know. So go for ilmu, go for knowledge. Knowledge tak rugikan diri you. You won't lose it even until you die. You can pass that knowledge to someone. Pahala lagi.
Wow.
So yeah,
Wow.
have that hunger for knowledge. That's my advice.
Gila lah. Respect abang. One day good will come.
InsyaAllah.
We have a comment from di TikTok juga. Respect to all the brothers in this life. Man, this is a very good sharing.
We don't know. Ni outcome tak jadi. Aku tak tahu lah. Okay, but it's good lah. Very good.
Ui, gila bang. Ish.
Okay lah.
Ui, rumah aku naik lah.
Apa pandangan abang? Okay, apa lah. Ni because you are a senior trader, experienced trader, you dah jumpa macam-macam. Apa pandangan abang orang yang trade pakai sistem?
Shit. You mean what?
Benda tu dah siap kat komputer.
EA.
Something lah, EA ke, apa tools ke. Apa pandangan you? Ini pandangan you je. Peduli siapa lah yang jalan ni benda. Pasal kalau kita buat sesuatu, kita kena terima benda tu.
Yep.
Okay. Sama macam I terima.
Yep.
Tapi I nak tahu pandangan you, someone who is, you trade sebelum I belajar in 2015 bang. Okay. So apa pandangan you bila orang trade guna
System
benda?
indicators and all that.
Regardless lah. Yang automation ni, benda-benda automation.
Actually, nothing is wrong, nothing is right. As long it suits your style, earns you profit, make you this one, go for it. Consistency lah macam saya cakap. The word is consistency. Apa you nak pakai, you pakai. There's no wrong, there's no right. Kalau benda tu tak bagus, dia tak akan adakan dekat that system. There must be a use for it.
Betul.
How you use it is the problem.
Oh.
It needs to be taught properly.
Yeah.
Okay, fair enough.
Macam-macam indikator ada dalam macam
Macam-macam
beratus,
ada.
right?
Beli.
Apasal ada that thing? Mesti ada sebab.
Yeah.
How you use it, make sure it makes you profit. That's the key.
Understanding. Sebelum profit tu, daripada orang jatuh ilmu tu ajar betul-betul, pemahaman pasal orang mencari kefahaman.
Ya.
Lepas tu kita yang dapat ilmu tu kena fahamkan benda betul-betul.
Right.
Lepas faham baru kita apply benda tu.
Baru apply in the proper way lah.
In the proper way.
Jangan ikut nafsu way lah.
Ya.
Tu yang pisang tu bang.
Pisang lah.
So I'm not wrong lah using indicator.
Tak salah.
Tak salah.
Tak salah.
Nothing said, nothing
Eh,
wrong.
Bi, aku belajar 11 strategi semua indikator kau dulu.
Ya.
Pemahaman dia je.
Saya tahu.
Pemahaman dia je.
Ya.
Pemahaman, sabar. Tapi learn the hard way lah. 9,000 sure aku bayar.
Sabar lah.
Alamak, pada muka aku.
I think everyone will go through the hard way lah. It's how hard, how bad.
Budak-budak ini HBX je never go through the hard way. Pasal korang datang free. Aku dah nak charge lah 388.
Asal?
Aku dah nak charge 388 dah sekarang.
30.11. Kita dah di penghujung rancangan, man. Abang, thank you
terima
abang.
kasih banyak.
Really. Best lah. First
Baik,
episode best, second
Makasih,
episode
thanks.
best.
Bang, apa pandangan abang kita buat macam ni bang? Ini
Memang dia alu-alukan.
dia alu-alu.
This is the first time ever we have a...
Yes. Let this fucker do this thing first.
But I'm not a old trader or
Yeah.
believer or legend trader. No. I am a conservative. I actually want to be a silent trader. But I need to know people.
Faham.
Harus.
So-
Pasal kita tak boleh hidup seseorang kan. dalam dunia ni.
Yeah. So that's where network lah.
But but Izan tell me, I cakap dengan dia macam, dalam Telegram tu adalah orang-orang sama yang post profit ke share whatever not. Dia cakap ada banyak silent trader yang senyap kat dalam.
Yeah.
Banyak gila yang profitable yang kau yang just keep quiet.
That's why I say I'm actually nobody. Promote je kecil.
Ada yang takut, ada yang malu, rasa macam berzina. Kau tunjuk macam diorang punya rasa macam berzina tu. Alah, because benda ni masih tak. Ya, sekarang semua orang boleh trade. Cuma bila kau berbual topik about trading tu, dia akan jadi satu masalah. Jadi macam, ini trader and all. Betul, serius. Because dulu aku diukur macam gitu, Bi. That is the roadblocks that I have.
It's like macam open secret. Macam
Kau tahu
bangkering.
betul tak? Ya ke?
Oh ya.
You know bangkering?
Ya.
Kita okay lah cakap sini.
Cakap,
cakap, bang.
Boleh cakap.
You buat, you tak buat, orang cakap you buat.
Betul?
Ya, saya memang buat.
Saya pun buat.
Baik, buat. Celaka dua ni.
So it is
Aku tak payah dia tak buat apa.
Abang pun not bad celaka.
so it's an open secret lah.
Correct.
Ya. It's
sama.
open secret lah. Kau kena ukur macam ni? Like how?
Okay, macam dulu bila aku masih... Okay, the challenge that I have is this. Bila aku buat, then orang ukur macam, ya ke boleh? Kalau bukit, asal dia masih kerja? Asal dia macam gini? Asal dia macam gitu? So aku apa aku buat is aku kasih wife aku duduk rumah dulu.
Okay.
Okay, aku duduk rumah dulu. Lepas tu, family aku grow.
Right.
From 3 sampai 6.
Alhamdulillah.
Then after that,
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah. Ya ke? Boleh ke? Biar betul ke? So lepas tu orang start ukur macam mana aku pergi? Apa aku buat? How come he can do like this? How come he do like that? Pernah ada orang ingat aku jual rokok tau. Celaka betul. Aku cakap dia, yes, jalan besar punya bola.
Ya.
So the only roadblocks that I have bila aku question, because it tallies with me once upon a time, aku masih kat dalam Tuas South. Tentu umur aku 37 Abi. Aku pernah cakap dengan member aku cakap gini, bang, kau so penat lah bang. Macam orang cakap kata-kata tu satu doa. Aku cakap dengan dia, 40 aku nak retire lah. Aku berhenti kerja Abi, 40. Serius.
Tapi budak kerja kau macam kau gila je kau.
Betul. Even people have doubt. Dia cakap aku simple. Anak kau 6 tau. Cakap tak apa lah, boleh. Tapi dia ingat aku bodoh. Aku dah simpan saving lah.
Oh ya.
So benda tu jadi. So bila aku resign tu, aku rasa kalau kita ukur 10 orang, 9 orang tutup mulut dia.
Oh.
So that is the impact that aku macam dapat. Boleh lah. Lepas tu aku dah tak layan lagi. Orang dia cakap trader nak kena tinggal kondo, nak kena apa. Dalam hati aku macam cakap tapi kalau tak cakap aku tak boleh tidur malam ni.
Ya, betul.
Sebab ada trader kat Singapura pun masih tinggal rumah sewa lah, sial. Geram aku. Orang suka ukur benda-benda macam itu.
Oh ya.
Bagi aku, no, that is not the thing. It's about the dollars and cents. He is doing as a passive. Pasal dia once upon a time enjoy it as a passive. Aku bukan level passive je. I'm doing as a core earning untuk aku sara.
Anak-anak wife and
Tanggungjawab aku at any point of time kat rumah. So it's a two different thing. Tapi aku never tell people to do what I do. But are you ready to do what I do not in the first place? What you need to do is like, macam mana abang ni mana do? So okay, we do the same thing lah. You guys need to do the same thing. Tapi at the end of the day, macam aku cakap, the ilmu tu nak kena serap dalam badan. Every time bila aku buat kelas, aku selalu cakap macam gini. Today you gonna be a dry sponge. You gonna suck whatever knowledge that you need from me. Itu yang kau perlu buat. Pasal aku tak nak orang lalai dengan apa aku cakap. Sebab once upon a time bila aku belajar, siapa yang ajar aku ni, every time dia selalu cakap ni quote tau, which orang semua tak ambil indah. Kau tahu tak dia cakap apa every time?
Apa dia?
The trend is your friend. Orang tak ambil indah bang.
Oh, the trend is your friend.
Dia sebelum dia start kelas apa, dia selalu cakap, okay, remember guys, the trend is your friend. Always remember this. Okay, we gonna start with this. Tapi dia cakap tak habis. Dia tak cakap macam, okay, korang kena dengar. Dia tak pernah tanya macam, after the 7 class have you guys noticed anything what I say before? Tak. Dia tak cakap. Dia tak cakap habis. Sampai, actually aku never realise. Khalid realise. Zan, because dia lagi mature. Orang-orang otai, dia tak kisah pun kau pakai baju apa. Tapi kata-kata daripada mulut orang yang cakap tu, dia orang identify every single word. Kenapa dia cakap macam gini? Kenapa dia tak cakap macam gini? Macam kita tak ada kisah pun.
Ya.
So bila Khalid cakap aku, Zan, you ada dengar tak apa dia cakap every day? Cakap, tak Khalid. Kan dia cakap the trend is your friend. So what's the impact? Yelah, bila dia tengah trend, kalau dia trending, kita dapat tak? Dapat lah. That's the key lah.
Oh shit.
Tapi tak boleh buat apa-apa pasal dah bayar 9,000.
Oh yelah.
Itu masang dia. Itu dah bopian lah. So, kalau aku mengajar and aku buat benda yang sama, then apa beza aku dengan dia?
The trend is your friend.
Yes. You tell me lah whatever lah. Kau bilang aku
The trend is your friend. Aku cakap tadi sell, kau tak percaya.
Bodoh.
The trend is
Itu dah level overtrade.
Itu Ali Nujum. Tadi dia cakap.
Okay, Abang Arifin, thank you so much.
Terima
Wow,
kasih
what
banyak,
a
bang.
sharing.
kasih.
We wish you all the best. Kita harap dapat
Alhamdulillah,
contact each other lagi.
Okay, bang. Wait, bang, ini
Oh, ada
hadiah
free
abang.
mana?
Of course lah, hadiah.
Ni ada, ni eksklusif abang. I rasa okay, dia tak adalah berat sangat, tapi dia datang daripada sumber-sumber yang halal. Walaupun yang packaging tu belum tentu sunat. Okay bang, it's a very good thing. Okay, thank you for the share. Bagi I ni kira sharing daripada an otai trader yang bukan I cakap powerful ataupun tidak, tapi apa you cakap ni sekarang tak ada orang cakap. Because you berbual pasal ilmu. What you talk is about ilmu.
Alhamdulillah.
Power. Power. That's why we need to change the mindset. We need to change the mindset of trader in Singapore.
It's just crazy, man.
So those people out there, you guys better listen.
Thanks for having me.
Thank you.
Power bang, power.
You make your
Alhamdulillah.
time, man. Bila aku berapa sekarang, aku coming to midnight, man.
Okay.
No problem.
Baik bang,
Okay,
thank you so
bang.
much. Wish you all the best.
Thank you.
The trend is your friend. Cik, aku kita akan bersama dengan teman-teman penaja MSR. Kalau kau nak bikin rumah, silakan 9778-1234. We are gonna be with the bosses after this. Jangan ke mana-mana.
MSR, kami buat design just for you. Design istimewa yang satu. Kami semua bantu create ideas, make it all to be reality. MSR, hanya yang terbaik untukmu. Semua pasti
Hubungi kami di talian 9778-1234.
Kami bersama dengan teman-teman penaja MSR Interior
Design.
9778-1234. Mereka adalah penaja utama untuk Jangan Cari Pasal.
Baik.
Orang komen, Zan, apa dah jadi, Zan?
Aku dah tak boleh buat apa.
Kau dah makin teruk. Kau dah tahu art tau. Macam Abang Arifin cakap art, ART. Art kau berat tau. Sebagai podcaster, kau kena jadi... Kau kena... Kami bersama dengan bos di minggu yang kedua. Apa khabar tak tukar baju? Bukan dia.
Masih tak tengok baju?
Ya, sama.
Yes, itu betul.
Itu episod yang sama.
Pasal kita ada 8 dalam baju. 8 baju kat rumah pakai baju.
Ya. Bos ada 8 baju kat rumah?
Ada, semua baju sama.
Baik.
Ya.
Kita orang
So Rizan spell tu ya. Neymar.
Baik, dia pakai baik.
Nien. Yi.
Maaf lah.
So Rizan
Dia
spell
follow up. Dia follow up ah. Baik ah. Yeah.
Dia tak nak repost tau.
Mampu
Dia
lah
tak
pula dia jadi.
Dia tak berani. Macam nak spell Mbappe?
Betul-betul World Cup. Okay bos, you sihat bos?
Sihat bos.
Okay.
Alhamdulillah.
You masih tak share kita you punya link to you punya video clip lah bos.
Video clip apa?
Ya.
Kan you pergi shoot hari tu?
Yang tu
Lagu?
belum lagi siap.
Oh belum?
Tapi kita ada lagu lama di YouTube. Lagu
he's a
yang dah
singer.
launch.
Guys, kalau korang tak tahu, Bos adalah seorang penyanyi.
Okay.
legit,
You
legit,
cakap
local singer. Please do
search
share.
for what? Search for what?
You all can go to YouTube, search for Mr. Shah Official. So I ada nyanyi di Indonesia.
Can you
Yeah.
sing your song?
Dia cuma tak buat yang tu je lah.
Apa?
Dia tak macam yang lagu apa tu?
Lagu Timur.
Bola balik tu.
Ada lagu.
Dia ada.
Ada.
Rapper-rapper ada.
Lagu macam bolak balik. Tengok YouTube.
Dia ada.
YouTube.
Dia pakai cap. Ada.
You nyanyi sikit.
Sikit.
Tak boleh lah.
Sikit.
Sikit,
Tak
sikit,
lagu lama,
sikit.
lagu lama.
Lagu lama.
Sikit.
Tak mau lah. Ni kan
No wonder his voice.
fokus.
Nampak ada orang cakap no wonder his voice so nice.
Ya ke siapa?
Tadi
Perempuan ke lelaki tu?
Perempuan. Let's go. Let's steady. Meja belum settle lagi. Relax dulu. Relax dulu. Dah episod baru, meja masih belum settle. Relax dulu. Jangan tekan dulu.
Nyanyi rollerblade sikit.
Rollerblade macam mana lagu dia?
Jalan-jalan. Sepatu rodaku.
Jalan-jalan dengan sepatu rodaku.
Bos adalah seorang local singer.
You
Bukan lokal.
Dia bukan lokal.
You not local singer
I'm singing
kira?
in Indonesia.
Indonesia.
Oh, you
Yeah.
kira OS Overseas singer.
Ya, overseas singer.
Yeah. Tapi itu it's just suka-suka. Bukan.
Nampak? Orang kalau banyak duit buat apa pun suka-suka.
Yelah. Macam
Dia
dia
tak
MC
sibuk pasal orang dapat profit pada mana. Duit datang daripada semua-semua yang halal ke haram. Tak ada. Dia tak ada fikir benda-benda macam ni.
Boss, talking about halal haram since you in the forex month
Boleh kita tanya.
video kita naik our video naik sebab yang halal haram about forex. What do you think about this halal haram been talking about? Because you very strict on the halal haram
you-
thing kan?
Straight.
Yeah, you very straight. You memang I nampak I dengan Aizan nampak Surah tak tinggal apa semua. Alhamdulillah, masya-Allah.
So basically ada tanya juga. Ada orang yang mahir. Ya.
Ya.
Ada. Orang kata okay, no problem. Relax. Goal.
Goal kan?
Okay.
Kan?
Nampak senang kan?
Legit tau.
Yeah.
Tak. ni
Cuma
legit.
orang tak nak gembar-gemborkan benda ni.
When I went for Umrah pun ada juga orang tekan tau. Pak Arab ni tekan tau.
Pak Arab tekan. Pak Arab. Buat ni.
So like macam mana halal haram dia dekat depan Kaabah tu. Kan?
So depend lah. Kalau rasa haram then don't lah.
Ikut hukum.
Kan dah was-was kan. Then better don't step into this. Stay far away.
Kalau kau rasa kau nak renovate bilik, kau renovate bilik je. Jangan renovate dapur.
Renovation
So
pun
different
ada.
people they have different opinion lah.
Yeah.
So yeah, up to you.
Habis renovation lah ada macam orang-orang kita kan. Cakap, apa ni bos, mahal sangat package. Kita pergi kat itu murah. Asal you markup tinggi-tinggi.
Itu haram.
Kan?
Tak, harga tu bukan haram. Orang tu haram.
Benda ni dah jadi satu penyakit tau.
Itu dia.
Sahabat.
Dia ada satu.
Sahabat.
Dia ada satu candle. Diorang bagil. Harami.
Oh ya.
Yeah.
Tapi tu tak bermasuk harami. Dia masuk bila tengah trending. The trend is your?
Trend.
Yes.
Habis saya MC kau?
Itu pasal ni lah gatal tangan kan.
Bos, ada our audience, lupa nak, I want to address benda. Ada a few of my friends or the audience. Dia cakap, B, since MSR sponsor jangan cek pasal, is there any like macam package yang
Special.
for our audience?
For JCP. Actually kita ada kasih kan sikit hari.
Code kan?
The code.
Actually you guys can code just JCP MSR.
Yeah.
JCP je kan.
JCP je.
Tapi
Pergi
korang
kat,
jangan pergi ala utuh.
Ha.
Utuh the double the price ya. Hari berapa? 18:36 cik. Padan kau main muka.
Actually you guys can DM, then after that you say,
We heard from JCP, then we give you good price.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Price baik-baik. Kan,
Tapi
kita
kalau
pergi-
let's say orang listeners tak dengar pun tak apa. Kita minta dorang bantu. Tak buat nama kita pun tak apa. What we need to you is to share, like, repost our post. Bantu kita.
Oh je.
that's the most important thing.
Yeah.
I think boss tak ask banyak. The ROI is just to share, like and comment on the post.
Kita
Yeah.
boleh.
Kan?
But so far,
Especially yang video Wak kepo
But
kan.
how many Jom. I
wah
tengok.
tu
I tengok
yang
MSR.
abang kan.
Wak.
Okay, right now MSR kita ada di TikTok.
Come on. Apa susah?
Kita tengok
pula.
I suka main game ni, MSR. MSR interior. How many we have? We have about 12,700 followers. Maybe after this episode kita boleh dapat 13,000 atau 15,000. Kalau sekarang ni korang tengah
Share lah.
share, please do follow.
Dan lagi office dia centralized tau sekarang.
Yeah. And of course kita ada Wak punya video ni. Wak punya video we need more shares lah. Interaction.
Yang video ni jadi MP ni.
Yes.
MP banyak tau video-video.
Jadi minister pula sekarang. Semua dia nak.
With you, for you, for Tampines.
Yeah.
Asal Tampines?
So kepada orang-orang Tampines yang lagi buat HIP,
Okay.
pasal actually kat Tampines area sekarang banyak yang ada HIP program.
Alright,
Yang HDB buat balik diorang punya toilet.
Okay.
So banyak customer yang tengah seng sama kita yang tengah buat diorang punya toilet, diorang punya kitchen.
Okay.
So we have a kitchen package that costs $18,888. So that package actually inclusive of hacking works. You dapat hood, hob, kitchen sink and tap, and then sintered tabletop. You dapat kitchen glass backsplash. You dapat 10 feet top and 10 feet bottom kitchen cabinet, kitchen wall and floor tiles. Semua buat balik.
Yeah. Baik.
So in conjunction lah.
In conjunction. Jadi
baik
sekarang
lah,
bila
satu
HDB
kali-
tengah buat, so bila HDB
Settle.
nak dekat habis ataupun settle, kita will continue to do the kitchen.
Kan senang in
Ya,
conjunction.
satu kali lah. So sekarang kita ada like that time, remember yang kita buat video. Yeah, so we are running. Kalau you tengok, actually kita tengah running a few blocks away, dekat-dekat 400 plus of Tampines. 489C, 489.
Yeah.
Yeah, around that area lah.
Waduh.
Yeah.
Baik orang
Satu kali ya, betul.
Yeah, so kita tengah bikin that area, that Tampines area, Pasir Ris area, Jurong area yang banyak yang tengah HIP program. Yeah, so we are actually doing their kitchen.
Banyak orang Tampines HIP program?
Banyak Tampines.
Tampines, Pasir Ris masih ada?
Masih Pasir Ris pun ada.
Kan?
Ya.
Ui, untung MSR. Alhamdulillah. Ya Allah.
Alhamdulillah.
Menggunakan rezeki lebih Lepas Tampines, Pasir Ris, Bedok.
Depo.
Depo. Sibuk lah depo.
Tampines, Pasir Ris, terus
Depo.
MT5.
MT5. Higher time frame tengok.
Itu nampak. Dia sibuk
Sib-
tengok.
Ni bos nak tanya, ada I remember I saw a comment terlepas pandang pula. Dia tanya macam nak bikin dapur berapa?
Dapur yang mana?
Dapur kitchen lah.
Oh, dapur tu.
Dapur kubur
Dapur
bikin.
kitchen kan? Kita dapur kitchen kita bikin. That's one yang I cakap tadi, 18,888 inclusive for buat kitchen baru, wall tiles, floor tiles baru, dapat kitchen sink, hood, hob semua. Yeah, so you tak payah risau nak beli. Inclusive for painting also. Your ceiling semua painting balik. Yeah.
Baik lah.
Timeline dia berapa lama?
1 month.
Oh, sekejap.
Pasal okay, kenapa 1 month? We need to apply for hacking permit.
Okay.
So hacking permit will take us maybe 1 or 2 weeks, and then from there we can start. And then bila kita start tu, tiling works pun about 10 days, and then slowly the other works lah. Pasal dia ada timeline, dia ada works dia tak boleh buat semua satu kali. So kita akan kena tunggu after kitchen, kita nak kena masukkan tabletop, nak kena masukkan backsplash lah. So there's a process to it lah.
So pecah batu, pecah everything is only 1 month?
Yes, pecah batu, pecah tile semua 3 days. The first 3 days dia settle, lepas tu terus kita akan buat masonry works, which is buat wall tiles, floor tiles, kitchen base, all that.
Kalau aku jadi dorang dengan tingkap-tingkap sekali aku tukar.
Macam buat apa?
Dia selalu gini tau. Macam manusia ni, kalau dia ada barang baru, dia semangat baru.
Okay.
Kalau rumah tu renovate semua benda baru, dia akan lagi semangat tinggal. Itu mentaliti manusia. Kau buat ni, habis alamak ini lupa. Kan baik satu kali.
Dia lagi pun bila diorang tengah HIP, kan lagi senang kita buat. during the
Satu
HRP
kali
program
Satu
dalam
kali
Sabah.
serak Makcik-makcik
Ya.
cakap ni lagi satu kali serak.
Ya, satu
Alamak.
kali.
Kira kan
Makcik-makcik.
kalau orang bikin HIP 10 days dan continue with MSR 1 month, kira kan dah macam rumah baru
Buat 2 toilet berapa? Korang nak
Wah, banyak ni orang komen ni.
Okay, kepada yang komen tu you can drop WhatsApp to 97781234.
Sekarang.
sekarang dengan
Guys,
pantas.
sekarang dengan pantas.
97781234.
Sekarang je kau dapat
Mohsen ada orang reply.
5% a day.
Korang buat kat sini kan aku cakap buat betul-betul. Kita takkan tahu tau duit tu nak gimana kan dah beli renovate dapur.
Buat sekarang.
Toilet.
Betul.
Buat 2 toilet berapa? Mohsin sekarang 97781234.
Go.
Sekarang juga
2 toilet on the spot.
2 terus
Okay.
buat. Kau tekan lebih lot size 0.23 dapat lah.
Ini betul lah cakap Ini
One-
bukan
1.33.
ini
Ha.
apa dah?
Abang tu 2.66.
ya.
1.33 dapat 13,000 hari ni.
Janganlah
2 hari dah boleh buat kitchen. Betul tak?
Jangan bilang secret dalam group chat.
Allah. Pasal cakap buat duit betul-betul. Bila duit dah ada, boleh buat macam gini. Kalau whole house 4 room BTO next year MOP berapa?
Oh wow.
Wah, semua dah tanya
Yes,
Ada
boss.
menggeletar ni.
Okay, dia very simple.
Jadi
Okay.
ikat,
Dan senang Dan.
ikat
Sekarang
setahun lagi.
can you key in the number and pin? So
Pasal
senang.
the numbers is not with
Bilang
me.
what's the number again?
Pin.
What's
Yeah.
the number?
9778
97781234. You WhatsApp nanti kita reply.
97781234. Sekarang juga
Ya.
cakap JCP, bos, toilet berapa? Bos, dapur berapa?
Tapi
cakap,
my admin will apply besok tau.
Tak apa,
Pasal
tak apa.
sekarang my admin tengah pegang handphone. Dia tengah tengok
Chat kan?
Hmm.
Admin pun boleh tahan juga.
ya. Yeah. Tu ada tu pin 9778.
Dia
pin,
reply
pin.
besok.
Senang.
Please do also do us a favor, share benda ni dekat your family or friends yang mencari ID. This is the most important thing because
Tak payah nak sibuk lah. Direct contractor ke apa sama je.
mungkin sekarang mungkin orang tengok ni dia tak bikin rumah.
Yeah.
Dia ada kawan-kawan yang nak bikin rumah. So,
Dan save
share.
number.
Yang
Solid.
penting share.
Share. Most
Okay.
important
Okay.
kita share lah guys.
Rumah anda, impian anda. Pak, rumah tak siap.
Itu ID lain lah kan.
Rumah anda, syurga anda. Pak, tak siap.
Hilang lah.
Tak payah. Zaman dia dulu apa? Zaman-zaman nak lawan-lawan quotation tu dah habis aku rasa.
Dah biar.
Dia lebih pada percaya lah. Dulu ni tutup ni quotation bawa pergi sana. Tak sama juga. Tak buat siap juga.
Yeah.
Pergilah. Trust us. Do go and visit.
Build up, compound your account. The money is there.
Yeah.
Withdraw.
9778
Even
1234.
Izan supported us with the kitchen punya renovation dekat office.
Office.
Oh
Yeah.
ya, kalau korang
aku
pergi office HBX, dia punya cupboard tu.
Kitchen cabinet.
Kitchen cabinet.
Pantry.
Itu sekejap lah dalam masa berapa? 1 hari, 2 hari
Tak lah. Pasal
Less than 1 week. Aku buat last week, this week siap.
Oh yang aku pergi tu 1-2 hari tengok.
Tapi
kalau
siap
pasang
je.
boleh siap itu jam.
Within 48
Tapi
hours.
this thing have to be fabricated. Kita akan datang measure and then kita akan datang balik untuk pasang.
Aduh.
Padu weh.
Ya.
9778-1234.
Dah macam rumah dah office aku sekarang.
Ya. So MSR adalah penaja utama Jangan Cari Pasal. Jangan lupa guys, please do, if you guys are listening di Spotify dan melihat video ni di YouTube, please do share with your friends. 9778-1234. Kita akan bersama dengan bos di minggu hadapan. Ciao dan salam.
Salah.
MSR, kami buat design just for you. Design istimewa yang satu. Kami semua bantu create ideas, make it all to be reality. MSR, hanya yang terbaik untukmu. Semua pasti
Hubungi kami di talian 9778 1234.
reality.